Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I know I haven't done one of these in a while and I apologize, but let's check out the November Going Gear EDC Club package. Let's go. Yes, I know it's mid-December and I'm just getting around to doing the November package. Like I said, I apologize, but let's check out what's in the November package here. And, okay, QSP knife. It's like a Fisher. And an eagtac teeny keychain flashlight. All right, that's pretty cool. And that's it. 3 items this month. We got our sticker and the cheat sheet here. All right, so let's clear some of this stuff out here because my camera sucks with autofocus. Let's start here with the QSP knife. Now, every single QSP knife that I own is from Going Gear. I have never purchased a QSP just out of the blue. They're pretty nice. They're a nice budget option. If you're looking for a nice work knife, you don't want to use one of your very expensive knives at work to get all beat up. These are perfect for that. And this is, oh wow, look at that, micarta. Very nice. Ooh, I like it. So this is the QSP Parrot, 29 bucks. 29 bucks, very nice. The Parrot has a 3.25 inch spear point satin finish D2 blade, sits on copper washers, micarta handles, as we can see right there. Weighs in at 3.2 ounces, slim compact profile, makes this a budget friendly knife and a great EDC option. I definitely agree. So I'll give you a nice close-up of these micarta scales here. We have some barrel spacers on, looks like stainless steel liners in there. Of course, it's a liner lock, spear point, some nice jimping right here on the spine of the blade. Thumb studs for deployment on each side of that blade. And the action is pretty nice. So that feels pretty nice. No drop shut. I have to give it just a little bit of an assist, but that's cool. I mean, what do you expect for 29 bucks? This is pretty nice. Let's check out the pocket clip here. It's not deep carry and it is reversible, but it's only a tip up carry. And I don't own too many spear points and I'm really digging the look of this knife. Very nice, very compact. And I'll tell you, man, for 29 bucks, this feels pretty nice. So now let's move on. Let's get to the Fisher Space Pen here. I'd have plenty of Fisher Space Pens. This is the Backpacker, 30 bucks, which is, you know, pretty much on par with other Fisher items. And what the heck is going on with this case? Jeez. All right. I love the presentation here with the pen that was sitting on a moon crater. That's pretty awesome. So, what is this? So, EDC Club members are getting a first look at some brand new unreleased colors in the Backpacker pen line. Looks like I got it's like a dark green color. That's pretty cool. Of course, Fisher's made in the USA, can write upside down, underwater, through grease, extreme temperatures, almost on any surface. Just pull the cap right off, fits right there on the tail. Yeah, this feels pretty nice. All right, that was corny, but I'm just testing out to see how they write. Of course, Fisher's write like a dream. One of my favorite pen lines out there. I'm just curious what cartridge they used in here. It says Fisher Space Pen number PR4 black medium refill. Okay, very good. Let's put this back on. Very nice and compact little pen, this Backpacker. I don't own too many of these Backpackers here, but I love this little keychain ring on the cap here. And yeah, very nice. I wonder what other colors this is available in. It says new colors. First release at brand new unreleased colors, and this looks like a very dark, maybe like an OD green. I wonder what the other colors are. So a Fisher pen is always welcome, especially pulling one out of the Going Gear EDC Club package here. Now let's check out this teeny DX3E. Oh wow, 1000 lumens. It's got a luminous SST 20 CW, 150 hours, a built-in 3.7 volt, 400 milliamp hour lithium polymer battery. Let me just take this out. And all right, Type-C. We're off to a good start. Now let's take out the actual light here. And this is a keychain flashlight. Does it come with? Yes, it does. Has all the hardware for your keychain. Check this out. All right, so we do have some power here. So you just hold down the side switch. And I don't know the UI here at all. I'm guessing this has to be charged. Let me take a look at some of the other features. The DX3E, 8 brightness levels, 7 auxiliary levels, lightning fast charge times, Type-C, weighs 1 ounce, and it does have all that information here, 8 levels, 7 auxiliary levels. I wonder what those 7 aux levels are. But I'm guessing this has to be charged, but this is actually a pretty nice light. I'm curious to see that 1,000 lumens and what kind of throw this little keychain flashlight has. And now I'm looking at the box here. It says hold down for 4 seconds to unlock. So this is locked. So let me hold it down for 4 seconds. All right, there we go. So, oh, there we go. Now let's check out this beam here on my desk. And I don't know what brightness level that is. Boom, boom, boom. 1, 2, 3. So, double press. Oh. So if I hold it down, so it looks like it's a single touch on, and then hold it down to change and cycle through those modes. But double tap, maybe that's the turbo for 1,000 lumens. This is actually a pretty nice beam. Cool white beam. Pretty nice little item here. For how much? $29.90. Every single item on this list here is right around 30 bucks. So $30 total for the items that are in the package. The Going Gear is a $60 monthly charge plus shipping. It's a pretty nice deal here. And even though I'm not familiar with this eagtac flashlight here, it's pretty impressive. I'm actually curious about more of the specs, IP rating and whatnot. So I'm gonna do some research on this bad boy. But with the QSP Parrot, the Fisher Space Pen Backpacker, and the eagtac Teeny DX3E, what do you guys think? It's a pretty solid package this month. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What do you guys think of the November package of the Going Gear EDC Club? Now if you guys want to check out Going Gear for yourself, I will have links below in my description box. But if you did enjoy this video, please give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. And go!